give your website mini facelift? Some Botox? Changing text, images, or background videos in Elementor is easier than cosmetic procedures. From Dashboard, go to Pages, pick page you want to update, then click Edit with Elementor. Welcome to the only part of website that doesn't make you cry. Now this is very intuitive. Find section you want to update, text, images, background videos, same exact process. To change text, click Edit icon, then change text in editor bar. Change image, click Edit icon, then click Image in editor bar. Choose something from your media library or upload new one. I'm just pretending to update to show you process. To change background, click Section, go to Style and swap image or upload new one. Easy. For video backgrounds, I'm going to jump to client website. Same idea. Click Section, go to Style and replace video link. Featured video, same deal. Click Edit, then switch video URL. It's easy, painless, and zero emotional damage. Subscribe for more tutorials, or don't and stay trapped in Elementor purgatory. Your choice.